the fox, the hare, and the rooster. Once upon a time, there lived a fox and a hare in a forest. The fox has a house of ice, and the hare has a house of wood. When spring arrived, the fox had thrown into the water. He asked the hare's permission to go to her house for warming himself and took a chance to size the house. The fox drove the hare out and closed the door. The hare cried while walking on the road. A moment later, the hare meets a hare dog of dog. The dog asked the hare, "Why are you crying?" The hare sobered about, "I have a house of wood and the fox has a house of ice. When spring came, his house melted into water. He came to my house to warm himself and drove me out." The dog consoled the hare, "Don't cry, hare. We will chase him out." The dog with the hare came back home. The dogs barked, "Woof, woof, woof. Come out of there, fox." The fox now was sitting next fireplace, shouted, "If I jump out, you will be dead." The dog took fright of fear. One more time, the hare sat with the brush and cried. A bear passed and asked, "Why are you crying?" The hare told the bear in the story. Immediately, the bear insisted on helping her chase the fox out. Just arrived home, the bear roared, "Come out there, fox." The fox now was sitting on mantelpiece, said, "If I jump out, you will be dead." The bear also took fright and fear. The hare sat in the brush and cried again. A rooster with a scythe on his shoulder walked by. Seeing the hare, the rooster asked, "Why are you crying?" The hare pityingly told the story to the rooster. As to the fox and the bear, the rooster gently said, "Come along with me, I will chase him out." The hare sadly repeated, "You won't." The dog tried it fall. The bear also tried and fall. "You will far too better. Just me. I will chase him out," the rooster said firmly. So they went to the house. The rooster said, "Cook a doodle-doo with a scythe on my shoulder. I am looking for the wicked fox. Where are you, fox? Come here." The fox was so scared and said, "I want wearing clothes." The rooster sang again, "To cook a doodle-doo with a scythe on my shoulder. I'm looking for the wicked fox. Where are you, fox? Come here." The fox said, "Let me put on my coat." This time the rooster shouted, "Cock-a-doodle-doo, with a skylar on my shoulder. I am looking for the fox. Where are you, fox? Come here." The fox jumped out from the wooden house and ran into the forest. Then the hare lived in her house again, and the rooster become the best friend of each other. That's all about my story. See you in next video. Goodbye.